Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in Eastern Europe. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Moldova. 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 While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Moldova. 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 Moldova is known for its rich agricultural land and wine production, often celebrated for its exceptional wines and vineyards. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.